cut off. Ah, suck. Don't run the red light, don't run the red light. Didn't run the red light. Oh, they ran red light. Yeah, okay. They were in the red light. Stop before you turn, 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 stop before you turn. People are ridiculous. Why didn't you go right from the... Go right from the straight lane, go straight from the left turn lane. It's another brainless night. Turn off your fucking high beams! Was that a cutoff? This is only stupid. Ah. Took yours. How nice. Oh, flame. What they please me and every other reason behind. 18 weeks. Where the fuck did you come from? Anybody gonna... Hi, pedestrians. Anybody gonna stop with them? Oh, fuck, man. Where the hell did he come from? I checked my mirrors. Then he'll spend the rest of his life. You're supposed to disengage the four-wheel drive. Probably making it harder to show. We have an next dive. That wasn't a stop. Stop at the stop sign. No. Yeah, ran the red. Ran the red. And the shield there, Toyota. Thank you. Thank you. Oh boy. Ew. Thank you. I'm only going 70 and, you know. Exit dives. Ah, nice move. Okay, you mofo is supposed to yield here, you know. Yeah. Ah, nice, nice, nice. Nice, 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 yep, yep. Back there too, yep, 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 yep. Ah, oh, this is asshole. Yeah, nice cut off, shit. Ah, the car. Oh, thank you. you so much. You gotta stop again. No! No. No, okay. Cut off. Yeah. Thank you. I smell pass fail. I smell pass fail. Thank you. You pull up to the center, stupid. Yellow. Red. 1, 2 runners. 3 runners. Stop! Stop! What the hell are you doing? Boy, rush to get to the red light, scumbag. Don't run the red. You're in the red. And he ran the red light. There's a Honda. I'm gonna listen to this song again. Stop before you turn, Prius. Thank you.